Hey Helen, it's Alison. I've just come down to the gym this morning and just had to go on the treadmill. I just wanted to show you what's going on in terms of the noise coming out of the treadmill at the moment. I'll just flip this around and show you. So if we turn the treadmill on, it's actually quite difficult to turn on as well. For some reason the start button doesn't work too well, but I'm just putting it on 6, which is actually just a walking speed. I'm actually not walking on it, but in a moment you'll hear a noise. This noise actually gets a bit worse when you put it up to, I'll just put it up to 10, which is a running speed. Let's put it up to 10 there. It's sort of intermittent. I'll stop that. It's kind of intermittent, but probably not acceptable for a treadmill that's only a year old. So